So this is the Nature Anywhere Bird's Eye View bird feeder. This is such a cool product, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get it all set up. After you take it out of the box, you're just going to insert the suction cups into these little holes. They slide in really easily, and they're very secure. After you put on all the suction cups, just take the feed tray and slide that into the bottom. To install it, pick any window you want and stick your suction cups to the glass. Give each suction cup a little push. This thing is not going anywhere. Those are really secure. Then just pour in some bird seed and wait for the birds. I love the clear design, and my kids are obsessed with this. After a few days, we did have birds coming to the feeder, and it was so fun to watch that. This bird feeder is such a fun gift idea. I love how it looks sleek and modern. It would be the perfect present for any nature lover.